Vandeham.
The following is a class on Bhagavad Gita as it is, Chapter 4, text number 15, given by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, recorded on 4th April 1974 in Bombay.
Shri Gurun Vaishnava.
Translation. All the liberated souls in ancient times acted with this understanding and so attained liberation. Therefore, as the ancients, you should perform your duty in this divine consciousness.
Evam gatva kritam karma. Purvairopi mumukshuvi. Kuru karmaiva tasmattam purvai purvataram kritam. Now, in this verse, 3 times, 4 times, the word has been used, purvataram, purvatamai. Kuru karmaiva tasmattam purvai purvataram kritam. Purva purvataram purvatama. Comparative, superlative, and positive. So, this is the process that we have to follow the previous acharyas. That is Vedic system. In the very beginning of this chapter, Krishna said, Evam parampara praptam imam rajarsayo vidu. We haven't got to make any research, modern understanding. There is no question of modern understanding. We are all following the old, ancient understanding. Now, even from ordinary platform, the eating, sleeping, mating, and defending, is that modern? It is not modern. They formally also are living entities, they were eating, they were sleeping, they are having sex intercourse and they are defending. The main business, nothing is modernized. You can say modernized, but the principle is the same, old system. Nobody can change. The people are dying also. Janma Mittu Jara Vyadhi. That is also the old system. Everyone is taking birth, everyone is growing, everyone is falling diseased, and everyone is dying. Can the modern system stop this? The modern system can say, no, you do not require to eat, you do not require to sleep, or you do not require to have sex, or you do not require to defend. No, the same system. The old wine in a new bottle. Similarly, Janmamittu Jara Vyadhi, 5,000 years before Krishna said, this is real problem. Janmamittu Jara Vyadhi, Dukkha Doshanudarsana. The same problem is still going on. So, it is useless to say that modern time, modern ways, modern things. There is nothing modern. The old thing is going on. So, if we follow systematically the previous acharyas, previous system, as Krishna is advising, Krishna does not advise modern. 5,000 years ago, he instructed Bhagavad Gita. Still, he was saying, Purva Purvatarai, Purvatamai. Evam parampara praptam, imam rajasaya. This is intelligence. We have to accept the real truth and follow it. It does not mean modern age or previous age, past age. That is not Vedic system. Uh, the, the old system is going on everything. The sun is also the old. The sun is rising as it was doing in the olden times. The moon is also rising. The years and seasons are changing. Everything is going on. Why we should not accept the system of Vedic knowledge, the oldest of all in the world? There is no history. That is intelligence. So Krishna is advising here, evam gyatya kritam karma purvairapi mumukshu. What Krishna said, that the karma should be divided according to the quality of the person. There are three qualities, Satagun, Rajagun, Tamagun, of the material world. Gunamayi Maya, Daividhisha Gunamayi, Mama Maya. The Gunamayi, Guna means the three qualities, Satagun, Rajagun, Tamagun. And Guna, another means rope. Just like strong rope, three ropes, you take three ropes and wind it, it becomes very strong. That is also Gunamaya. So, Krishna advised, Chaturvarnamaya system gunakarma vibhagas. Gunakarma vibhagasa, gun, quality is there. Now you act according to the quality. Don't be idle. Now, at the modern age, in every country all over the world, there is unemployment. Why unemployment? Because people do not know how to divide the population according to guna and karma. One is qualified as a Shudra and he is engaged in the business of a Kshatriya. There is problem. The people are educated as Shudras, and when they are called for recruiting for the armies, they are afraid. The problem is very acute in America. Nobody wants to join military department. Why they will join? They have been trained up as Shudra, and why they will be like the business of Kshatriya? That is the problem. Everyone wants to avoid. Actually, the hippie movement is started on account of this. What is this? Draft. Yes. Young men, they want to avoid it and they are forced. Therefore, they take the part of madman or lunatic in this way. This is going on. To avoid it. So that is the problem. People should be trained up according to quality and work. There must be institution to train first-class men. There are first-class men, intellectuals. They should be trained up as Brahmin. That is the system. Second-class men, they should be trained up as Kshatriyas. Third-class men, they should be trained up as Vaishyas. And fourth-class men means below third class. They should be engaged as Sudras, worker. And below them, Chandala, that I have already explained. So, nobody should be left alone. Everyone should be engaged. That is Krishna consciousness. Everyone should be engaged in Krishna consciousness, business. Then there will be no unemployment. First class men, let them become scholars, philosophers, preachers, instructors, Brahminical business, pathan, pathan, jajana, jajana, dana, pratigraha. These are the 6 businesses for the Brahmana class. They should be highly educated, pathan, highly learned, and pathan, and they should educate others also. But if he is not educated, how he will educate others? Patan Patan, Jajan Jajan. He should be worshipper of the Supreme Lord, Jajan, and Jajan. He should instruct others also. Oh. Sri Vigrahara Dhananittanana Singaratana Mandira Marjanadu Juktascha Bhaktangscha Nijanjatobi Bandi Gurasri Charanaravinda. Sri Vigrahara. This is Jajana Jajan. Sri Vigraha. This is Sri Vigraha. Krishna's Archamurti. Krishna has taken advantage as avatar, Archavatar. Archavatar means made of stone, wood, metal, jewel, or coloring, painting. There are 8 kinds of Archavatar. So Krishna has consented to descend before us, to accept our service in a manner which we can do. If Krishna remains in his Virata Rupa, then it will be very difficult to capture him. Krishna remains in Virata Rupa, but he becomes Archa Vigraha, a small deity, so that everyone can worship him at home. It does not take much time, does not take much place. To make dress of Krishna, you can utilize little cloth. Krishna is agreeable to accept your service. And offering patram pushpam phalam toyam jomi bhakta prajachati. At any means, you can worship Krishna. And that is the business of Brahmana and Vaishnava. Brahmana, Brahma Janati, one must know what is Krishna. Parabrahma, Paramdhama, Pavitram, Param Brahma. Brahma Janati, the Brahman. One who is aware of Krishna. What is Krishna? He is above Brahmana. Brahmana qualification is already there. Because a Brahmana means one who knows Krishna, Parabrahma. That is Brahmana. Brahma Janati iti Brahmana. Vedu Patat Bhavet Vipra, Brahma Janati iti Brahmana. Janmana Jayate Shudra, Sanskarat Bhavet Dija, Vedu Patat Bhavet Vipra, Brahma Janati iti Brahmana. This is the process. Janmana, by birth everyone is Shudra or Chandala. Those who are satisfied that I have taken birth in my Brahmin family, so now my business is over. No. Janmana Jayati Shudra. The birth by the father and mother, that is Shudra. That is not Brahmana. Sanskar. If a man is born Brahmin, then why there is necessity of sacred thread ceremony? No. That is the sanskar. Sanskar means the sacred thread is the symbol, it is offered by the Acharya. It is the certificate that this boy has been trained up as a Brahmana. Therefore the sacred thread is the symbolic presentation. Not that to purchase 2 pies for sacred thread and one becomes Brahmana. No. Of course, in Kali Yuga, Vipratte Sutramevahi. In Kali Yuga, this will go on. Vipratte, a Brahmana, Kshatriya, Shudra, Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya, simply purchase 1 thread from the market and get it on your body and you become. Vipratte Sutramevahi. No, that is not actually. It is a qualification and it is certificate. One who has got the sacred thread, that means just like in our Vedic system, one has got the red mark on the forehead, one woman. It is to be understood that she is married. Similarly, one who has got the sacred thread means that he has approached qualified Acharya and the Acharya has recognized him as Brahman. This is sacred thread. Not that purchase 1 sacred thread and get it and become a Brahman. No. This is very important thing. and then divide. First of all, educate. Where is that education? Even, of course, this is meant for, at least in India, Indians should be educated as Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Sudra. So that is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mission. Bharat bhumite manusya janma haila jar. Janma sarthak kari karo paropakar. This is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mission. Anyone who has taken birth in India, he must take the Vedic culture. The Vedic culture is described here by Krishna, the master of the Vedas. Vedanta vid, Vedanta Krishna aham. That supreme Vedantis. Krishna says in the 15th chapter, the Vedanta vid, I am the knower, supreme knower of the Vedanta. Vedanta vid and Vedanta Krit. I am the compiler of the Vedanta. So where from you learn Vedanta? From Krishna. Vedashti sarvai ahameva ved. This is the formula. So one who knows Krishna, he is Vedanta vid, because he has learned the Vedanta philosophy. What is that Vedanta philosophy? Veda means knowledge, and Anta means the end. The Anta means the end of all knowledge. What is that end of all knowledge? Bhaunam janmanamante jnanavan mang prapadyate. After many, many births, when actually one is wise, Vedantis, mang prapadyate. He surrenders unto me. Vasudeva sarvamiti, sa mahatma sudurla. Such kind of Mahatma is very, very rare. One who knows Vasudeva sarvamiti. Vasudeva, Krishna is the origin of everything. Aham sarvasya prabhava matta sarvam pravartate iti matya bhajante manga buddha bhava samannita. These are the knowledge. One who knows that Krishna is the origin, cause of all causes. Govindamadi purisam tamang bhajam. Ishara parama Krishna sachidananda vigraha. Anadiradi Govinda. Sarva karana karana. Cause of all causes. When one is fully aware of this, he is Brahmana, Vaishnava. Brahmajanati iti Brahmana. This Brahmajanati means Parabrahma is Krishna. One who knows what is Krishna. Krishna is the origin, who is the original cause of all causes. Sarva karana karma. So he is Brahmana. He is Vedantist. He knows everything. And if he acts like that, then what to speak? That is advised here. Evam gyatta kritam karma pudbhairapi mumukshu. Evam gyatta. First of all, it is the business of Brahmana to understand. If you cannot understand, then you do the business of Kshatriya. If you cannot do that, then do the business of a Vaishya. And if you cannot do that, then remain as a worker. Assist others. Assist the Brahmana, the Kshatriya. So everyone will be engaged. And it is the duty of the government to see that nobody is unemployed. Then it will be devil's works. There will be so much movement, communist movement, this movement, that movement. Because everyone is not employed. The unemployment, devil's works, that is breeding so many isms, and otherwise if anyone is engaged into work, his brain will not be a devil's work. He'll work something. So this is Krishna consciousness movement, that everyone should be employed in Krishna consciousness. That I am repeatedly saying to my students, that nobody sit idle. He must be engaged, either as a Brahmana, or as a Kshatriya, or as a Vaishya, or at last as a Shudra. But there must be. But anyone who is engaged in the business of, superficially, it may be the Brahmana's business. But in Krishna consciousness, there is no such difference. Even though one is sweeping the temple, it may be Sudra's business, but he can be allowed to worship the deity, the Brahmana's business. Because a devotee is neither Brahmana, neither Kshatriya, nor Vaishya, nor Shudra. Because he is above. He is in a transcendental position. But in this material world, guna karma, if one is not fit for performing the work as a Brahmin, he can work as a Shudra. He can work as a Vaishya. But employment must be there for Krishna. That is Krishna consciousness. Employment must be there. So, our Krishna consciousness, this system is being followed. We have got a very nice business, spiritual sky. We are making good profit, millions of dollars. Therefore, our expenditures are going on. We sell our books and we sell our spiritual sky products. In this way, we meet not less than 8 to 10 lakhs of rupees expenditure per month. This Krishna consciousness. We are not idle. Neither we allow anyone to become idle. It is not this business that go to the temple and ring the bell and close the door and go to smoke ganja. No, it is not like that. It is not like that. Everyone is engaged fully, 24 hours. Kirtaniya sadahari. That is explained here. Evam gatta kitam karma purvairapi mumukshubhi kuru karmaiva tasmatang purvai purvatarang kritam. So we have to follow. Now follow purvatarai. Now we are listening Bhagavad Gita. So Bhagavad Gita was first heard by the Vibhushan, the sun god. So giving aside sun god, we can take at least Arjuna. Purvatarai, Mahadvi. Arjuna is Mahatma Sudra because he knows Krishna. Sishtastiyam sadimang prapannam. He surrendered to Krishna for solution of the problem, whether he was to fight or not to fight. So Krishna was instructed directly and Krishna certified him. Bhaktosi means Priyosi. You are my dear friend. You are my devotee. Therefore I shall talk to you the mystery. Rahasam etad uttamam, Bhagavad Gita. So take the lesson from Arjuna, how he acted, how he understood Bhagavad Gita. Then Purvatarai. You don't have to go very long before. You take the symbolic representation of Krishna, Arjuna. So how did he understood? How did he understand Krishna? He understood Krishna. Parabrahma, Paramdhama, Pavitram, Paramam Bhava. So you understand like that. Why do you misinterpret? Oh, there is no Krishna, there is no battlefield. It is all fictitious. It is I can make my own commentary, he can make his own. Why all this nonsense? Purvatarai, just Arjuna did. Arjuna accepted. Accept like that. Then your Bhagavad Gita reading is perfect. Otherwise, simply wasting your time and misleading others. His meaning is this, meaning is that, meaning is that. Why meaning is that? What right you have got to say like that? But these rascals are doing and spoiling the whole country. You see, misinterpreting. There is no misinterpretation. Try to understand Bhagavad Gita as it is. Your life will be successful. So, try to follow Arjuna. Mahajana jena gata sapantha. Dharmasya tattang nihitang guhayam. Mahajana jena gata sapantha. Take this. So, the Shastra says, Tarka Pratishtha. If you simply want to know what is self-realization, what is religion, simply by argument, logic, It is not possible. Tarko apratishta. Sutayo vivinna. If you want to learn by studying scriptures, Vedic literature, you will find different scriptures. Sam, Yajuri, Atharva, then different Puranas. There are 18 Puranas, Mahabharata. That is also impossible. Means you cannot understand. Sutayo vivinna. Naso munijjasya matangna bhinnam. But if you philosophize, following some philosopher, there are 6 kinds of philosophers in India. So, philosopher means he must decry another philosopher. That he must give a new theory. Naso muning jasya matangna bhinna. That will also not help. Dharmasya tattvang nihitang guhayam. It is very confidential subject matter. Mahajana jena gatasya pantha. Then you accept the Mahajan. Mahajan means following the parampara system. According to Vedic system, there are 12 Mahajans. Sambhu, Narada, Sambhu, Kumaro, Kapila, Manu. Janaka, Bhishma, and Vaiyasaki, I'm like that. I'm just forgetting. Excuse me. Sambhu, Narada, Sambhu, Kapila, Kumara, Manu, Prahlada, Janaka, Bhishma. Prahlad Maharaj, this Grihastha. Amongst these Mahajan, there are sannyasis, there are brahmacharis, and there are Grihasthas also. So it does not mean only the sannyasi and brahmachari can become Mahajan. There are Grihasthas also. Just like Prahlad Maharaj is Grihastha. Brahma is Grihastha. Sambhu. Narada is brahmachari. Sambhu, Narada, Sambhu. Sambhu, Lord Shiva, is also Grihastha. Sambhu, Narada, Kumara, brahmachari. 4 Kumaras from the birth, Naistik brahmachari. Kopila is also brahmachari. Sambhu, Narada, Sambhu, Kumara, Kopila, Manu is Grihastha. Similarly, Prahlad Maharaj is also Grihastha. Prahlad Janak Maharaj is also Grihastha. Bhishma, brahmachari. Bhishma, Bali Maharaj Grihastha. Vaiyasaki, brahmachari. So it doesn't matter whether one is brahmachari, sannyasi, or grihastha, he must know the science. Just like if you go to a scientist man, you don't inquire whether he is a brahmachari or a sannyasi or grihastha, you require the knowledge. That is also confirmed by Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, Kiba Vipra, Kiba Shudra, Nasikane Noy, Jai Krishna Tattva Vetta Sei Guru Hoy. It doesn't matter whether one is a Brahmin, Kiba Vipra, Kiba Shudra, or one is Shudra, Kiba Vipra, Kiba Nasikane Noy, or whether he is a sannyasi. Jai Krishna Tattva Vetta. One must know the science of Krishna. The science of Krishna is being explained by Krishna himself. So, in whatever position you are, you try to understand the science of Krishna, then you become Guru. That is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mission. Amar agnay Guru hoiya, taro sarvadesh. Jare dakho tare kaho, Krishna upadesh. This is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mission. He says, you become a spiritual master. How? I have no qualification. No, you just accept my order. So what is your order, sir? Jare dakho tare kaho Krishna upadesh. You simply speak the instruction of Krishna whoever you meet. Then you become a spiritual master. So actually it is happening. We are not wonderful men. But our only business is that we are speaking only the same thing as Krishna has spoken. That's all. There is no magic. This is the magic. If you adulterate nonsensically, like a rascal, then you cannot become a spiritual master. If you simply follow what Krishna has spoken, then you become spiritual master. It's a very simple thing. It doesn't require education. You can hear from your spiritual master what as Krishna said. It doesn't require even literacy. There are many great personalities, saintly persons. My Guru Maharaj is Guru Maharaj. He was illiterate. Gaur Krishnadas Babaji Maharaj. He could not sign even his name. But my Guru Maharaj was the best scholar of his time. He accepted his Guru. So, this is the process. That Jai Krishna Tattvavetta Sai Guru Ha. That is the business of every Indian. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was asking, Bharat Bhumite Manushya Janma Haila Ja. Janma Sarthak Kari Karo Paropoka. Indian is meant for Paropoka. Because outside India they are in darkness. But unfortunately, Indians are now imitating the Western kind of life. It is very regrettable. You have to make your life successful by reading Bhagavad Gita and preach the truth all over the world. Then the world will be happy and you will be happy. This is required. Jare dakho tare kaha Krishna Upadesh. That is recommended here. Evam gatta kritam karma purvarubi mumukshu. This kind of business can be done by whom? Mumukshubi. Not ordinary men. Those who are aspiring after liberation. Those who are thinking of stopping this nonsense business of repetition of birth and death for them. They are not ordinary men. Mumukshubi. When Vishwamitra Muni approached Maharaj Dasarath for help, taking Ramchandra and Lakshman for killing the Rakshasi, Vishwamitra Muni could kill the Rakshasi. But because he was Brahmin, it was not his business to kill. He begged help from Maharaj Dasarath to lend Lord Ramchandra and Lakshman to take him there. This is the systematic way. The Brahmanas should be engaged in knowledge and distributing knowledge. That is, their business is not fighting. The Kshatriyas, they should fight. The killing business is meant for the Kshatriya. That is also required. Evam, Chaturvarnam Maya sister. First of all, unless this division is there, that is animal society, that is not human society. If these four divisions are not there. Varnasrama Charvata Purushena. Systematic human society means Varnasrama Charvata Purushena Parappama. Vishnu Aradhate Pumsang Nannat Tattva Sukaran. This is required. Varnasrama. That is again confinement. Evam gatya kritam karma purvairapi mumukshuvi. Mumukshuvi. The real business is mumuksha. How to get out of this business of repetition, but people do not know it. They do not know what is the aim of life. The aim of life is mumuksha. This human life is meant for that, to get out of this cycle of birth and death. The animal cannot know this. Therefore it is called mumukshu. One who wants to get rid of this business of repetition of birth and death. Mumukshu. Kuru karmaiva tasmattam. That is advice of Krishna to Arjuna, that you follow the previous acharyas, previous personalities, authorities, just like Shambhu, Narada, Shambhu have already described. You follow them and act like that. And you try to understand that what is my position. If you simply understand my position, immediately become liberated. Janma karma me dibbam jujanati tattva. Takta deham punar janma naiti. This is liberation. If you simply understand, try to understand Krishna, why Krishna comes, what is his instruction, why he says jada jada hi dharma. These things, if you simply understand, then you become liberated person. And this is required in human life, to be liberated. What is this nonsense business? Sometimes human beings, sometimes cats, sometimes dog, but they do not know. But this is a fact that Dehi Rasmin Jatha Dehi Kaumaraju Tatha Dehantar. You have to change your body, transmigrate. But change for the better or stop this change, go back to home, back to God. That is required. Thank you very much. Very good.